If you drive an older VW Caddy, you know that worn-out gear knob can absolutely ruin the whole interior vibe. This replacement kit claims to bring back that factory fresh feel and maybe even improve the shift action. But does it actually deliver? We're looking specifically at the 5 and 6-speed gator and knob assembly designed for the Caddy MK2 models from 2004 through 2009. The first thing you notice is the complete package. This isn't just a knob. You get the integrated boot cover, which is crucial for that seamless OEM look. The craftsmanship here is surprisingly high for a replacement part. It instantly adds a touch of elegance and luxury back into a vehicle that might be showing its age. Let's talk about the tactile experience. The description promises an ergonomically crafted design, and holding it, you feel that smooth, precision-engineered contour. It's designed to offer effortless gear transitions and a comfortable grip, essential for those long hauls. The materials are listed as durable ABS plastic and PU, resisting daily wear and tear. While some descriptions mention aluminum alloy, the overall feel is robust and sturdy, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Performance-wise, a good shift knob should enhance control, and because this is a direct replacement, the fitment is tight, translating to crisp, accurate gear changes. Installation is straightforward, described as taking only a few minutes. You select the appropriate adapter, install it on the lever, and then secure the knob. It's a hassle-free upgrade that merges practicality with modern flair. If you're looking for an affordable way to dramatically refresh the cockpit of your Caddy, this kit is a fantastic solution. It's a functional accessory that truly enhances both the visual appeal and the driving experience. A definite win for Caddy owners.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.